Hi, I'm King Apollo. I made the Ultimate Unicorn mod. Lately, I've been getting a lot of questions about how to create custom unicorns, and once you've created a custom unicorn, how you can put your custom unicorn into your Minecraft game. So I decided that I'd make a tutorial to show some people how to do that. Uh, the first step is to get yourself a horse. Now, it can't be just any old Minecraft horse or a horse from another mod. It has to be a magical horse from the Ultimate Unicorn mod. And there's a whole lot to choose from. You can use any of the different horse pure breeds, and you can also use any crossbreeds that you come up with yourself. So once you find yourself a horse, you can see I've summoned a whole bunch already. But in creative mode, it's really easy. You can summon a unicorn like so, and here we've got ourselves a baby unicorn. And then the second step is to get a name tag. So I've gotten a few name tags in my inventory. I can take it to an anvil, put the name tag in the anvil, and then give it the name of whatever custom unicorn that I want to use. And usually this is going to be the custom unicorn that you just made. So I'm going to take a small detour here, switch over to the unicorn creation tool, which is here at www.hackshop.com/p/unicorn.html. There's a couple ways you can get to it. There's links from the Minecraft mod, so it's pretty easy to find. And you can go through these steps, apply some colors, change your horse, give it a name, select your amount, maybe choose some powers, and then you can go and pay. You get this nice custom code that will help you recreate your unicorn at a later date if you decide not to buy it and you decide you just want to sort of hold on to the design. And the most importantly, you've got to come up with a unique name. Now, once you've created your unicorn, it sends me the information, and then I check it over, and then I can add it to the mod. And once I do that, you don't actually have to do anything else except start up Minecraft and put it into your game. The Minecraft mod will handle all the hard work of actually downloading it and putting it into the game for you. So a unicorn that was made a while ago got the name Adrian, so we'll make a name tag called Adrian. And then once we have the Adrian name tag, we can go and we can right-click to put it on a horse. And there we have a nice hippocamp that has this Adrian custom unicorn. Now, here's a couple of other ones that have been created over time. And like I said, you can put them on any kind of horse you want, as long as it's a magical horse from this mod, including babies. Here we have baby Sundrop Eclipse. So yeah, that's basically how it works. Now you've seen a basic way that you can add the custom unicorn into the game. And one of the nice things about custom unicorns is once you make one, it's available for anybody to use. You're basically adding a little piece of your own creativity to the game. And I collect every custom unicorn that's made and I add it to this list. So you can go to the Hall of Fame, which is on my webpage, and you can choose any of the horses that anybody has made and apply that custom unicorn design to a horse in your game. Now, if you're used to using creative mode, you're a little bit used to taking shortcuts. And a shortcut that I made was this nice command that will let you apply custom unicorn designs very easily without having to go through all of the steps of creating a name tag. And it's called the change horse command. You can also use CH for short. And once you decide you want to use this command, it's very easy to put in. You can use cheat codes with this, which means that you can actually affect the horse's DNA and what sort of traits it has. But I'm not going to talk about that right now. That's for another time. Instead, I'm going to talk about one, you can tame a horse very easily by just using the change horse command, putting a couple of tildes in there. Those tildes just say for DNA 1, don't do anything, for DNA 2, don't do anything. But the one says set his tamed and saddled stats to true. And here you can see that this Adrian horse has his saddle put on. Seems we've gotten in the air. I'm sort of in development mode here, so that's pretty normal. But not only can you do that, but you can also apply a name of a custom unicorn, and boom, he will change right away. So yeah, I will go and I'll just add in another custom unicorn. Here you can see this horse named Matching Chin has a slightly different texture, and this was a custom texture that I created by request. So it is a little fancier. In some ways it's a little more like what Typhon, in some ways it's a little more like what Typhon has on him. Just something that required me to get out the old paint program and start working on, a very customized skin. And so there you have it. It's very easy to make a custom unicorn. It's very easy to put a custom unicorn into your game. You don't have to donate to get one. You can use any of the many skins that other people have made, but if you want to come up with your own design, you can do that too. These custom unicorns work in single player, they work in multiplayer, and they also work on servers that run this mod. So there's a lot of flexibility here, and I think it adds a lot of extra fun options to the game. Well, thanks for listening, and I hope you are enjoying the mod.